Are you gonna go to OpenSea? Ew, OpenSea is disgusting. Hello fellow farmers, what do we do in a market like this? Well, other than being safe and safe farm and make sure your money is not gonna collapse and melt with the market, what you can do, you can invest in NFTs. Either buy NFTs and resell them, or you mint your own NFTs. But how are you gonna do that? Are you gonna go to OpenSea? Ew, OpenSea is disgusting. The gas fees that you pay on Ethereum are ridiculous. We're talking about $30+ to mint an NFT. What are we, Jeff Bezos? So how can we entrepreneurs invest in the NFT marketplace without having to pay these ridiculous fees like we have in the Ethereum network? Well, you can look for NFT marketplaces in other places other than the Ethereum. And so what will be those choices? Well, I'm here to show you SYFIN or Psy.finance. And it's an NFT marketplace in the Fantom Opera network. So what does it mean? It means basically zero fees. Gas fees are super low in the Fantom Opera network. And if you like NFTs and if you think there's a potential of you investing, buying and reselling NFTs, then this is the place for you. Why? Because first of all, because of the gas fees. As we say, you can see right here, 0% fees, free to mint, just the gas. So that is great. So I really believe that if OpenSea does not bridge to other networks, which I think they do to Polygon, but if they do not bridge or migrate to other networks, or if they like multi-chains, I think OpenSea is gonna die. Why? Because whenever people that are not into crypto start to learn about NFTs and start to see that there's other networks other than Ethereum where the gas fees are almost zero, they're gonna start to migrate and they're gonna start to look for other opportunities, and Psy Finance is the place for it, at least for me. There's already a bunch of NFTs listed here, so it's not like a brand new market, but there's a lot of potential for it to get bigger and bigger, to grow. Why? Because it hasn't exploded yet as of OpenSea. So if you're just a buyer, it's simple. Just connect your MetaMask. Whenever it's connected, you just buy whatever NFT you want, and then you just hold them or flip them. That's easy. But what if you want to mint your own NFTs, which is my case? I do enjoy drawing. I do enjoy art. So how can I, farmer, mint my own NFTs? Some marketplaces are really hard. Like if you try to do it on Solana is not that simple for you to create an NFT, for you to mint an NFT. It's pretty hard actually. But with SYFIN is more or less like OpenSea. As you can see right here, I already uploaded my NFT. This is the first version that I uploaded, and I'm going to start making more of these. So whenever you click on mint, you're going to go to this page right here, and it's going to ask you the name, what kind of NFT it is, a description, a link if you want to put a link, and the description. And whenever you're done, you just click on mint your NFT. You're going to confirm on your MetaMask, and then it says successfully minted your new NFT. Go to your new NFT to list it for sale. And then we click on the link and we should see the NFT, and here is our NFT. And if we click in our collection, my collection, you can see right here that the NFT is already listed and is already present in my collection, and I can list it to go in the market. And the price is actually in SYF, which is the SYFIN token. But how much is this in US dollars? So if you go to CoinGecko and we type SYFIN, we are going to see that it's a very, very low number. And because of the Bitcoin drop, it went down 55%. So how much would that be in US dollars? Well, let's say I want to sell this for $25. That would be this humongous number right here. So yes, let's say I want to sell this for $25. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it over here. I want to paste it right here, and then I click to approve and list for sale. And there you have it. Once you pay all the fees, which was 0.03 and 0.004 Fantom, which is like cents, it says right here NFT approved and updated for sale. and it says, oh wow, I actually put $30. I don't know why it says this. Let's see if we can refresh the page. There we go. 22 Fantom or 30.55 US dollars. So this is how you mint your NFTs, and then you can just send the link and post it whatever so people can look and see your NFTs. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description if you guys are interested. I do enjoy doing these pixel arts. I made this for my wife for something that she was working on, but then the project didn't go through, and so now I have this image right here. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed it, I'm gonna leave the link right here. So this is it. This is the best way for you right now to list your NFTs without paying so much as gas fees. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If yes, please check out the links in the description. I'm gonna leave these NFT right here if it's something that might interest you. If not, don't worry about it. But anyways, guys, stay safe with this market meltdown, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.